Alrighty. Are we recording? Looks like we're recording. Alright, this is a 1978 Dodge two-wheel drive long bed pickup truck in very good condition. Start off over here. Inside there looks brand new. There's the fuse box, all looks brand new. Look how clean the terminals are. That's amazing right there. Windshield looks good, needs to be cleaned, it's tinted. Good glass all the way through. Absolutely insanely great dash. In very good shape. The button works and all that. It's a little faded on this side compared to this side. Two different materials, I think. You can see the color change. Dash is in excellent shape. It's a tilt steering. Adventure has the carpeted floor with some kind of padding underneath it that I can feel. I haven't taken the seats out. The seats are actually in very good shape too. You can't hardly see it, but that's the pattern of the fabric underneath them. There's the door panels. I am missing one crank, window crank, not in the truck. Don't know where it is. Door panels are in excellent shape. Doors are in pretty damn good shape. They're a little dirty. Could use some cleaning. But down here is what counts. And they're in excellent shape for the year. All the way down to there. And then the rocker of the truck, which is in incredible shape for this cab for this year. All the way up. You can see right there, this truck used to be tan gold, and they painted it way back in the day, and it's just now starting to come up in some spots. Oh, that's right. That right there is the right rear brake shoe. The pins are no good, and it was hanging the drum up, so I removed it so we can move the truck. You hear how the doors shut? There's the bed. All the trim is on this side from the front to the back. Look right over here over the bed. You can see where it's just starting to fucking rust and rot. Way nicer shape than most. Then we get over to here where my buddy John picked this truck up with a loader instead of a chain. And I had to fix that out a little bit. That's not pretty, just want you to be aware. It does have rocker panels. Absolutely beautiful taillights, chrome, trim. Tailgate is minty. Another beautiful taillight. Bumper is pretty much average black bumper. Decent shape, not bad at all. Bed drops right down and has a bed liner. I don't know what to tell you about what's under the bed liner. It looks pretty good. Oh, those are leaves, in case you're wondering. Oh, I did sweep it out a few minutes ago because it was full of leaves. Alright, on this side, the loader did a little bit more and it popped those clips. I do not have the clips. I do have the piece of trim right there, but I do not have those clips. So you'd have to fix this and get new clips to be able to put that back on. It's got some big old diggers on it, digger tires. This wheel well has more rust than the other side does. Okay, but still is a really nice bed and should be saved and reused. Alright, over here into this cab corner, it's just starting to fucking rust. Literally. just starting to. The whole rest of the rockers are beautiful, all the way up front, all the way up. And we're back inside. Dash is really nice. Got 94,000 showing on it, mileage. There's no stereo, and somebody put a aftermarket tack in there, which is pretty cool. All the controls are here, all work. This is an air-conditioned truck, looks like. This is also a tilt steering with cruise control. And again, an absolutely beautiful door panel. Now this door is the door that has the issues. Look down here. Alright, you see the bottom of that door? That really needs to be fixed. And this door needs to be saved. I would imagine it goes right up under this trim too. See that wave? Just so you know. Up to the front. Front clip is also in incredibly good shape. The grill is not perfect, but it's really nice. Looks like somebody painted it or something at one point. And the bumper does have this chain ding, courtesy also of John, who pulled it with a chain on top instead of, you know, from something solid, because he's a dork. Oh, and then we got the engine bay. 318 2-barrel. In my opinion, this thing has a cam in it. I cannot guarantee you that. I'll just say it's a very healthy motor. And you can see the headers. We just tightened the headers back up on it. These do not go with the truck. I literally just tightened those bolts and nuts back up so that we could start this so you could hear it run. Alright, so this truck is sold with no exhaust at all. Wiring block over here looks pretty good. Wiring looks great. They painted everything when they painted this. They painted the inside of the engine bay and everything. Battery tray's in really good shape. There's a tag, a data tag right there. I don't know if you can see it with my shadow in the way, but yeah, there's a data tag for something there. It's got the good alternator, all the belts work, the AC is still here. The cruise control is still there, all hooked up. And all the other stuff, heater, all that crap, all hooked up. At the moment, I'm running it off a fuel tank with a Holly pump because the gas tank in the back is not pumping any, is not letting any fuel out. Hyundais. Yeah. Look at those cab mounts, huh? Isn't that incredible? The bed looks good. In fact, any peeling you see, that looks like some kind of undercoat paint. The tank is the big tank. Okay, all the way out. And for some reason, I did the line and all that. The line comes through the frame here. I pulled the line out and all, and I am not getting any fuel flow at all. There's $30 worth of gas in that tank. Someone's gonna get lucky. Transmission is a 727 torque flight. There's at the end of the headers that you don't get. There's the front cab mount. Look at that joker, huh? Holy crap. Box all the way out. Good shape. Bottoms. Oh, going crooked. Going crooked. This is hard to do. And that's probably the most rusty spot, and it's not even rot. It's just rusty. Literally. Pretty nice. Alrighty. I gotta put that cross member back up too. That's my job for today. And pull them headers. Hyundais. Alright. Well, oh yeah, let's hear it run and drive. Hey Chris, you want to come over here and hold this thing? Just, I'm going to start it up and then back it up and pull it forward or something. Alrighty, and there you have it. There's your video. Hope you enjoy. Peace.